that my driver's license is a negotiable instrument. I do not wish to enter into any contracts with you. Therefore, I do not speak to strangers. They ask you again, be very blunt. I do not speak to strangers. If they ask again and the law enforcement officer demands your license, you give them the license and say, I give this to you, my license, under duress. I do not wish to enter into any contracts with you. And, of course, refuse to sign anything. If they force you to sign, be sure to put a V period, C period, before you sign your name, and put the V period, C period above your name too. This goes back to an ancient Roman meaning, under duress. And like the magistrate courts, where you go to a court for your sentencing or your punishment, a magistrate has the same name as it did back in ancient Rome. Because most people don't know this, however, we are still under that same Roman rule today. And you could see it with your eyes when you enter into a courthouse. You walk in, you see outside or inside or both, you see the Roman gods. If you know my videos, or if you know Romans 16, the Roman gods are Lucifer. You're entering into the house of Lucifer. And, you know, so these ancient terms are still in effect today because it's ancient Rome that you're dealing with. And when you get those contracts from Lucifer, you got to know where your contracts are coming from and how to handle them. And while I'm on this topic, if you ever do get arrested and the police officer is reading your rights and ask you, do you understand these rights? You say no. Why? Well, they probably will get mad, but you say no because by saying yes, you are admitting guilt. The legal system has a different language that is meant to trick us. The language is called legalese, the language of the courts. There is a dictionary that offers the terms of legalese that's called the Black's Law Dictionary. I own a copy. However, I looked at it twice, maybe. But if you need a definition looked up, I can help you. But anything further than that, I know little to nothing about. The whole legal system, again, is Lucifer offering you contracts. The police are here to serve and protect the people. And however, you know, you consider yourself a person, as I do, but however, if you have a birth certificate, you are a citizen, not a people of the United States. Very important that you know that. We are citizens, not the people. And again, never say yes to understanding your rights. Again, it is legalese, and you are admitting guilt. It's not like, oh, do you understand this? No, you're saying, yes, I am guilty to committing this crime, officer. That's what you're saying. Be aware of that. And also, never, ever allow them to fingerprint you. Never allow them to take a picture of you. And try not to sign anything. But if you feel forced to sign, then sign only with a V period, C period above and before your signature.